Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we dive into products that make a real difference in the world of beauty and wellness. Today, we're looking at something a bit different from your usual skincare or makeup review, the Giantex 84-inch folding massage table lash bed. Whether you're a professional massage therapist, tattoo artist, or esthetician, finding the right bed to support your clients and your work can be a game changer. Let's break this one down, from its design and functionality to how it holds up in real-life use. Product overview. The Giantex folding massage table is a versatile 3-section bed that's perfect for a range of treatments. From beauty services like facials and lash extensions to more specialized work such as acupuncture or physiotherapy, this bed aims to offer comfort and stability across the board. What sets it apart is the adjustable backrest, which can be set to 10 different angles, allowing your clients to lie flat or sit up depending on the treatment. Its frame is made from reinforced beech wood and has anti-slip foot pads, so you can rest assured it's sturdy enough to support up to 485 pounds. The durable PVC leather and high-density sponge ensure the bed is both comfortable and easy to clean, a must-have for any beauty or wellness professional. Real-world testing and usage experience. As someone who's been in the beauty and wellness industry, I know how essential comfort and durability are in a massage table. After testing the Giantex bed, here's my takeaway. The height adjustable feature is a standout. Whether you're short or tall, the ability to adjust the bed from 24 inches to 34 inches in height means you can create the perfect setup for a wide range of treatments. The adjustable backrest makes it incredibly versatile. During my testing, I found it worked well for a variety of services. I tried it for a facial, and the backrest made it super easy to adjust to a comfortable angle for my client, while still being able to recline it completely flat for other treatments. On the downside, it is a bit on the heavier side when compared to some of the more lightweight beds I've used. But considering the durability and construction, this isn't a deal breaker. It just means it's more suited for professionals who need something robust in their permanent workspace. Pros and cons. Pros: adjustable height allows for customization depending on the therapist's needs, ensuring a comfortable working experience. Sturdy build with a reinforced beech frame, making it safe for all body types, supporting up to 485 pounds. Durable and breathable PVC leather with a high-density sponge offers both comfort and easy cleaning. Portable design with foldable sections and convenient carrying handles make it easy to transport to different locations. Simple assembly with no tools required, which is great for professionals on the go. Cons: while it's great for stability, the weight can be a downside for those needing a truly lightweight option for frequent transport. Storage space could be an issue if you're working in a smaller space, as the bed does take up some room even when folded. Value for money. Given the price and the features of this bed, I do think the Giantex massage table offers a lot of value. You're getting a well-constructed bed that's easy to transport and extremely versatile for different treatments. The build quality justifies the cost, especially for those in the beauty, tattoo, or physiotherapy industries. While there are cheaper alternatives out there, they may not offer the same level of comfort or adjustability. Comparisons. When compared to other massage tables in the same price range, the Giantex bed stands out with its adjustable backrest and robust weight capacity. Other tables might offer similar features, but often sacrifice durability or comfort, especially with the materials used. So if you're looking for something that will last through years of use and provide your clients with excellent comfort, this one is a great option. Build quality and longevity. The reinforced beech frame and high-density sponge are built to last. I've seen massage tables that lose their shape after some use, but this one holds up well, even after several sessions. The PVC leather is easy to wipe clean, which is important for keeping your workspace hygienic. The carrying bag included is also a nice touch, with an adjustable shoulder strap and extra side pocket for supplies. Customer support. I didn't personally need to reach out to Giantex's customer support, but I have seen reviews mentioning that they are responsive and helpful when there are issues with delivery or assembly. They seem to take customer feedback seriously, which is always reassuring when purchasing a product for professional use. Product alternatives. If the price is a concern, there are some lighter options on the market, like the Best Massage portable massage table, which offers similar functionality but is generally more budget-friendly. However, keep in mind that these alternatives might not offer the same level of adjustability or weight capacity. Final verdict. In conclusion, the Giantex folding massage table lash bed is a strong choice for professionals looking for a durable, comfortable, and adjustable bed for various treatments. Its versatility and build quality make it well-suited for beauty salons, spas, and wellness centers, though it might be a bit bulky for those who need something ultra-lightweight. Overall, it delivers solid performance for the price. And if you're in need of a reliable, long-lasting massage table, this one's definitely worth considering. If this review has been helpful to you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you can stay up to date with all our honest, no-nonsense reviews. Your support helps us continue bringing you product insights that matter. Thank you for watching, and if you've tried this bed or have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Let's talk about your experience. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.